Hi, as the title of the video says, we're going to be building easy Lego minifigure glider. So here are the pieces you'll need. You'll need a bar like this, any color doesn't matter. You could use then you need a peg. You could use any color. Then you'll need a blue connector peg like this. You'll need like, I don't know what to call this, so it's basically like let's just say a curved piece. So you need this, two of them. You don't need a sticker. I was building it in a Lego set, but I couldn't get the sticker off. And if you could see it, there's the tiny peg there. I couldn't get that out either. You'll also need wait, did I show this already? No. So you'll also need this block. It's like a peg with the stud on it. So then, you'll just need a minifigure. So let's get to work. First things first, take these pieces. Then you want to use this piece next. Oh yeah, I didn't show this. So yeah, that piece. So then, for one of them, you want to kind of put the peg in at the bottom and then put it in here. And then, put the peg like this in here. So then you just put these two together like that. Then, just put the block there like that. So you could twist this. So then, you have to put the, what should we call this? Like a stick kind of through here. And then, just move your minifigure's arms. Like, just, make your minifigure's arms like, what to call it? Hang on to it. So let's take a look at that. Give me a second. So wait a second. So like you could do it like this, any way you want. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share this video. Ring the thumbs up button. Like the video. Share the video. Ring the notifications. And subscribe, please.